To create your Ledgersync account, head to our website and click on the Sign Up button. The system will redirect you to our account registration page where you can fill in your information. Once you have verified your email, you will be asked to enter your payment information to complete your account registration. To add a client, head to the Clients tab on the top menu and click on Add Client. Here, you will be able to create your first client by giving them a username and entering their relevant contact information. Be sure to enter the correct cell phone number for your client, as this will be useful in the future to fix any account issues. If you choose to send an email invitation to your clients, they will receive their username as well as instructions on how to connect their banks. If your client has more than one contact email, you can add this to their account by clicking on the Edit Client button and adding the new email to your client's contact information. With Ledgersync, you can forward your client's collected information directly to your email inbox. To do so, head to the Client section and choose the necessary client. Click on the Modify Client button and Email Forwarding. Then enter the email address where you want to receive your client's collected information. To link your client's Ledgersync account with their QuickBooks account, click on the QuickBooks icon and enter your client's QuickBooks credentials. You can follow the same steps to link your client's Ledgersync account to their Xero or Zoho Books account. With Ledgersync, you can defer the payment of your subscription to your clients directly. To do so, click on Invite Client and request their payment details. The client will receive an email where they'll be able to enter their credit card information. The subscription will be charged to their credit card each month. To remove a client, locate them on the client's page and click on the Edit Client button. Here you will find the option to delete the client.